Good morning, followers and viewers on YouTube channel. I recorded this section of the video separately and inserted in front of the main video because I forgot to mention that service panel must have this main circuit breaker. By the Canadian Electrical Code, this main breaker is not required for load centers or sub-panel, but there must be main breaker related to the service on the service panel. The reason I used that picture instead of this, because all the picture that are in public domain for service panel has a lid on it. So the bus was not visible in actual service panel. I used load center to explain everything. This video focus on the difference between grounding and bonding. According to section 6 of Canadian Electrical Code, that covers service and service equipment. So whenever there is a utility service, conductor up to the meter box is provided by utility company. So after meter socket to the service box, and rest of wiring is responsibility of owner to hire a certified electrician to get it done. So after meter socket, service conductor enter into this service box or service panel. If we zoom into this panel, you can see bus bars for line 1, line 2. So these two bus bars are line 1 and line 2. This bar and this bar, these two bars are neutral bar, and this one is bonding bar. So what is important about the service box is, you see this green bonding screw. There is always either a piece of metal as a bonding jumper or a bonding bolt that connects neutral bar with the body of the panel as well as bonding bar. And one grounding conductor from this terminal is connected to a grounding plate, grounding electrode, that is buried in depth of 3 feet into the ground. So there must be at least 3 feet deep from the ground level. So this picture, it is marked line 1, line 2, bonding volt here, neutral bar here, and the bonding bar is not visible in this picture. So now if we look into this drawing, this is service box panel, and this can be any sub panel, load center or secondary panel, whatever you name it. It is very important to know that any panel, sub-panel or load center, downstream the service box, bonding jumper must be removed. So this bolt or piece of metal that connects the neutral bar with the body of the panel or bonding bar, this must be removed in load center. So difference between grounding and bonding is only at the service box. So this part from here to the grounding electrode, this is called grounding. And the conductor that connects the neutral bar to the grounding plate is called grounding conductor. The rest of the downstream, everything is bonding, because it brings any leakage current back through the service feeder and drains into the grounding electrode. So it doesn't matter leakage current comes from any device that is wired on service panel, it will still bring into the bonding bar, then drain it into the grounding electrode. Same thing, if it is leakage on the device 2 that is wired from load center, it brings the leakage current back through the sub heater and drain it in the electrode. Actually, I should mark bonding wire with the sub feeder too. Sub feeder always include a bonding jumper most of the time, something like this. So if anything is leakage current happen here, it will come to the bonding bar, then travel through the sub feeder bonding conductor and drain it into the grounding electrode. So section 10 is about grounding and bonding. Section 6 is about service and service equipment. So this video was related to both service equipment and grounding and bonding. That is section 10 of the Canadian Electrical Code. Thank you.